Hi guys, we have very good update from different companies for different roles. They are connecting direct walk interview officials in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai and Pune locations. So guys, here you can see HCLTech, CGS, Amazon, Omega Healthcare and SHYENA. These companies are conducting direct walk interview officials. So if you are interested, let's see the more details regarding these opportunities. SHYENA company conducted walk-in drive in Pune for freshers. It's a walk-in drive for freshers, and they have open positions QA and Python or Django. Criteria they mentioned 2021 or prior graduate in BA or BTech. Address also they mentioned here. So if you are interested for these roles, you can walk in from 5th August to 7th August, between 5th August to 7th August. Time for walk-in 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. So bring a hard copy of your resume while walking for interview. So these are the main details. If you're interested, you can walk in. So guys, here you can see SHYENA connecting direct walk into for now a voice process school, and they are conducting walk in between 5th August to 9th August 2024. They mentioned they are looking for 0 to 5 years of experience, and they have one vacancy. Location is Chennai. And the key skills they mention international voice and UK voice. So time and venue for walk-in is 5th August to 9th August. Time is 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. They mention location and walk-in details. Qualifications they are looking for: must have banking knowledge and international banking knowledge, and must have excellent communication to speak to USA or UK clients. Experience they are looking for 2 years to 6 years into international voice process. So they mention work experience and qualifications, everything. If you are interested guys, you can walk in with your documents like a resume and other card or ID proof. So these are the main details. If you are interested, you can walk in. CGS is hiring for international voice process executive. So they are conducting walk-in drive from 5th August to 28th August. Time is 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. And they mention 0 to 5 years of experience. They have very good number of vacancies, 50, and they are offering 2 to 3 lakhs per annum. Location is Hyderabad, and you must have skills, communication and BPO customer service. They mention location and qualifications they are looking for: graduates only and experience 0 to 2, and communication skills excellent in English. So these are the main details. Before walking, once look at this opportunity and read every requirements. If you met the eligibility, you can walk in. Omega Healthcare is looking to hire AR associate role. So they are looking for freshers, graduates, and they have 250 vacancies. They are offering 1.5 to 2.25 lakhs per annum. Location is Bangalore, and you must have skills, excellent communication. And if you are interested, you can walk in between 1st August to 10th August. The time is 9:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. They mention contact number and locations, guys. So note, kindly mention top of resume Naukri, and everything they mention here: roles and responsibilities, and beside candidate profile: freshers, graduates or undergraduates, good communication skills. So these are the qualifications they mention. If you are interested and if you have desired qualifications, you can walk in for this opportunity. Amazon conducting Bangalore walk-in on August 7. So pre-registration is mandatory. They are looking for 0 to 5 years of experience, and they have 50 vacancies. Hiring office is located in Bangalore, and working is remote. You must have skills, communication, and job summary, and everything they mentioned here: key responsibilities and basic qualifications. Before walking, once look at this opportunity and read every qualification and requirements. If you met the eligibility and if you are interested about this opportunity, you can walk in.